Hello. So some of you requested me to make a video on how I made that drop. So today I'll show you like a quick way how you can make it. So let's see. Yeah, so let me show you my baseline. Now let's see how our drums are sounding. Now let's check our leads, how they are flowing together. Uh, so essentially these are like different leads and sequences, and they are layered on top of each other, but they are not like uh, playing all the time together. They are chopped in a way that they don't clash with each other. So yeah, so our main idea is to chop them in a way that they uh, kind of sound like one sound, if that makes sense. Like they should sound like it's a one thing going on, but it has unique elements to it. So now I'll show you how you can come up with these kinds of sounds really quick. So it's, yeah. So now we can make it more interesting by putting some creative plugins. Like I have some cool plugins I would like to show, like this guy, just like super stutter. And I can just go and choose one preset from here. So like this, let's listen to it. So I can play with this mix knob, which will help me to get some hits which are not stuttered and some hits which are stuttered. So I'll uh, I'll make automation on it. Okay, and let's use another crazy plugin like Tornado, and let's choose any preset. They have like great modulations and sounds, really crazy effects plugin. Let's listen to it. So yeah, let's draw some modulations here as well, some interesting ones, and I can take any other preset here. Yeah, nice. Now let's bounce them into audio. So now, for example, we have these sounds. So what we can do is we can chop them. Okay. Let's see how I have done here. So let's see the number of sounds I'm using at one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So they're like seven, eight sounds interacting with each other. So I've taken some regular leads and then some glitch sounds and you know made this chop chop pattern with seven, eight sounds, and then they sound like really interesting. And you have to do it intentionally. With all this experimentation, you can come up with something like this.
You got a lot of nerve.
I hope you like this video. If you want to learn more, just drop me a message or head to my academy, which is Faders Academy. It's mentioned in the bio, and you can reach to me or my team where we'll teach you in depth how you can make crazy complete tracks like this. Also, if you want more advanced classes or personalized sessions, you can also reach out for that. We'll arrange classes for you. They will be like fully personalized and customized for you. And this way we can help you with your musical journey. And if you want more videos like this, like, comment, and share. And boom.